It's Backwards Xander, and today I have a pin. It looks weird, but you've seen the title, and this is how you do it. First, you have to take it apart. See this part, the bottom? You press the button, you twist that. Well, see this part above that? You push it up. And then you keep scrolling it off. And then whenever this happens, you take that stuff off. Then where's my... Oh, there it is. You have to have all of the materials. And then how to put it back together. See that? You get this, the lead, and put the string, the spring on wherever you draw with, and then put it down till you can't go down anymore. Then, see that? The part you usually only see? Stick it in there. And then, see that part? You get this. The small thing, then put it on it, and the thinner part goes sticking out, and then this piece goes on it and then connects. Then you sit that down carefully, then see this. If you don't have this part, it's fine. It just came with it. You put it on, then put this together. And say y'all! Stop it. Sorry guys, my brother just something. I'm gonna put it back where we were. Now all I have to do is put the camera back in place. Okay. And we're back where we were. Then
shut the door, XJ, now.
See this thing?
XJ.
If you don't have that, you put it on.
You better listen to me. XJ, shut the door. Just because you're slamming it don't mean it's shutting. Shut the door.
And then you twist it back on. And then you have a working pin. That's the end of this video. Bye! Yeah!